Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your email address on the Huobi application. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up the Huobi or the HTX wallet on your smartphone, and if you haven't logged into your account already, you will be asked to use your credentials. So go ahead and use your email address or your password, and if you have set your security option, you will also need to use your biometrics or your PIN. Now after logging into your account, you will end up within this home page. Now from this page, if you wish to change your email address, simply tap on your account icon at the top left corner, and from this profile page, tap on the gear icon at the top right. You will then end up within the settings page, from which, in order to change your email address, tap on the security option at the top. Now from this page, you will find the email option. Tap on email, and now you will find the change email button. Go ahead and tap on change email, and then you will find a few notes that you will need to read. Tap on the continue button to proceed with changing your email address, and now you will be asked to enter your new email address. Simply type in your desired new email address, and then you will need to enter the verification code to finalize the confirmation. Tap on the send button after typing your new email address, and you will receive a verification code within this email address that you just entered. Simply check the inbox of this new email address and type in the verification code that you find within the inbox that is sent from HTX or Huobi wallet. After entering the verification code, you can simply tap on the reset or the next button, and now this will successfully change your email address on the Huobi or the HTX wallet app. And now anytime you log in, you will be able to use your new email address within the HTX or Huobi app. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your email address on the Huobi or HTX wallet application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.